All right, welcome everyone. Ready for another deep dive?
Absolutely. Always ready to explore.
Well, today we're taking a look at the world of coyotes, and honestly, the research I did for this one was fascinating.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I had no idea how much was going on with these creatures. We're talking about animals that are right in our backyards, literally.
And they've been around for centuries, right? I mean, they're all over Native American folklore, these really intelligent, adaptable tricksters.
Yeah, and that trickster thing, that's not just a story. It's like a real survival tactic for them, especially now. They've taken that adaptability and applied it to like city life.
It's incredible, isn't it, to think about how they've managed to thrive in urban environments? I mean, we're talking traffic, buildings, constant change, and they're just rolling with it.
I know. I was reading about how they navigate roads, use our structures for shelter, some even predict traffic patterns. It's wild.
It really speaks to their intelligence and adaptability. But it gets even more complex when you think about how they communicate in these busy environments.
That's what I was wondering about. How do they coordinate everything with all that noise around?
Well, think about it. It's like a symphony of sounds, right? Howls, yips, barks, whines. It's all part of their vocabulary.
Oh, so it's not just random howling.
Not at all. Each sound means something. Marking territory, finding mates, warning each other about danger. It's constant communication.
It's like a secret code.
Exactly, a secret language that helps them navigate their world and raise their families too. They have these really strong family units.
Yeah, I was reading about that. They're monogamous, form packs with their pups, and even like the older siblings help raise the little ones.
Yeah, it's kind of amazing. Those older siblings bring back food, teach the young ones how to hunt, all that. It's like a built-in babysitting system.
Huh. I love that coyote babysitting service.
Hmm.
So what are all these coyotes, big and small, eating?
Well, they aren't picky eaters, that's for sure. They're what we call opportunistic omnivores. They'll eat anything they can get their paws on. Rabbits, rodents, berries, even carrion if they have to.
So one minute they're hunting, the next they're snacking on fruit?
Pretty much. That adaptability in their diet is another big reason they're so successful. And it's not just what they eat, it's when they eat it too.
You mean they're not just out at night? I always thought they were nocturnal.
You'd think so, and they are more active at night, especially in urban areas where there are more people around during the day. But in less populated places, you might see them out and about during the day.
Wow, so that shadow you saw in your yard, it could have been a coyote.
It's possible. They really are everywhere. And, they can swim too.
Swim?
Yeah.
Really?
And they're good at it. They use it to hunt in waterways, explore new areas, even reach islands.
So much for the landlocked coyote stereotype.
Hmm.
And get this, they can interbreed with both wolves and dogs.
Right. We get these fascinating hybrids, coy wolves from coyotes and wolves, and coy dogs from, well, coyotes and dogs.
Messing it up?
It is, and it makes you wonder about the impact, how these hybrids fit into the ecosystem, how they interact with their parent species.
It's crazy to think about. But even with all this, coyotes still get such a bad reputation, seen as pests.
It's unfortunate because they actually play a really important role in keeping ecosystems balanced. By preying on rodents and other small mammals, they help prevent those populations from exploding. It's nature's pest control, if you will.
Yeah, nature's pest control getting a bad rap,
Mm.
just trying to survive.
Exactly. And I think their story is a great reminder that nature is full of surprises and complexities. We tend to make assumptions, put animals in boxes, but the reality is much richer, more nuanced than that.
So true. Coyotes, they're way more than just the sly tricksters of those old stories. They're intelligent, adaptable, and they've got this complex social structure that's really fascinating. So next time you're out and about, keep an eye out. You might just catch a glimpse of one of these amazing creatures.
And remember, there's always more to learn.
Absolutely. Thanks for joining us for another deep dive.
Always a pleasure.